Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to tell you a story. The name is The Donut. First, you will make an activity, and then I will tell you some fact, then a question, then I will start the story. So, Mia has decided to help her mother bake a delicious cake. Can you help Mia with the ingredients required to bake a cake? First, you have to unscramble the names of the ingredients. I will tell you S, and then I will tell you the answers too. The first one is USTN. The other one is URGAS. And the other one is ORLUF, CEPSIS, GGES, KLMI, RETUBT, EHYON, OLE. These you have to unscramble them and make meaningful words. If you need time, you can pause the video. Okay, now I will tell you the answers. The first answer is nuts. The second one is sugar. The third one is flour. The fourth one is spices. The fifth one is eggs. The sixth one is milk. The seventh one is butter. The eighth one is honey, and the last is oil. Now I will tell you the fact about donuts. A New England ship captain named Hanson Gregory is said to have invented the hole in donuts. Have you seen a donut, everyone? Have you eaten it? I've eaten it only one time. The Dutch are believed to brought the fries passed to America, originally called Olie Cakes, means Olie cakes. Now I will ask you a question. Have you ever baked a cake or cookies with your friend or anyone else? Tell me in the comments below. If you were to bake a cake, which flavor or ingredients would you like to add to your cake, and why? Tell me in the comments below. If it's open, you will find it down there. Now, before I start the story, please like and subscribe with notifications on. So now I am going to start the story. It's a very nice story. First, I'm going to tell you the characters. Narrator is the hare, the old woman wolf, the old woman bear. No, narrator, old woman, old man, donut, hare, wolf, bear, fox. Now, scene. Old man sitting at a table talking to an old woman. Narrator. Once upon a time, there lived an old man and his wife. Now, one fine day, the old man sat to his wife. The old man said, "My dear, try to scrape up some flour to make us a donut." Scene. Old woman gets up and goes to the action stone as the narrator speaks. Narrator. The old woman scraped out the flour bin and swept out the corn bin. And she managed to get hand full of flour. Scene. Old woman stands at the table and speaks while doing the actions. This is a little big story, but It's okay. Old woman, I shall mix this flour with some sour cream to make some dough, and then I shall mold donut and then fry it in butter, and then I'll put the hot donut on the window to cool. Scene: old woman and old woman. The old man and the old woman go to and stand at the back of the stage as the narrator starts to peek from the behind table. The donut pops up and starts running. Narrator: and there the donut lay for a while, but then it caught up and went rolling as it sang as it went. Scene: the donut turns round and the stage while saying these lines. That means the old man and the old woman were making a donut, and the donut pops out, and this is an action between a stage. So, donut, here I go, off the window onto the bench, off the open and down the floor, over the floor to the door, then hop, skip over the doorstep, through the passage, down steps, into the yard, out of the gate, farther and farther and farther away. And then the narrator said, and the donut rolled and rolled along the road till it met a hare. Hare: donut, donut, I'll eat you up. Donut: oh, don't eat me up, hare, let me sing you a song. Hare: oh, okay, let's hear it. So it sang, I'm a donut round, I was baked and brown, from a floor bin swept, from a corn bin swept, I've sour cream inside and a butter I am fried. They left me to cool, but I am no fool. So what next happens is it met an wolf. So the wolf said, donut, donut, I'll eat you up. Oh, don't eat me up, grey wolf, let me sing you a song. Oh, okay, let's hear it. It sang the same song but with another lyrics. I'm a donut, I am a donut brown. I was baked and brown, from a corn bin swept, from a corn bin, from a floor bin scraped. I've sour cream inside and in butter I am fried. They left me to cool, but I am no fool. Then it met a fox, which is the cunning animal. The fox said, donut, donut, where are you going? Down the road as you see, said the donut. The fox said, donut, donut, sing me a song. So the donut sang, means the scene happens that the donut one place and sings the song. As he sings, the fox pretends he can't hear very well. He goes and crumbs. So it sang, I am a donut round, I was baked and brown, from a floor bin scraped, from a corn bin swept, I've sour cream inside, and in butter I am fried. They left me to cool, but I am no fool. So the donut said, you will not eat me, Foxy. So the fox said, "Oh, what a fine song! It's such a pity I can't hear it well. Do you get on my nose, Donut dear, and sing it a bit louder that I may hear?" So the narrator said, "So up the donut, uh, so the donut jumped up in the for this fox head. So then it sang the song a bit louder, like, "I'm a donut round, I was big and brown, I from a floor bin scraped, from a corn bin swept, I've sour cream inside, I am butter, I am fried, but they left me to cool, but I am no fool." "Did you hear that, Foxy?" said the donut. "Donut dear, do sit on my tongue and sing your song. It won't take you long." Narrator. So the donut hopped onto the fox's tongue, and you know what happened next? Fox snapped crocus, and the fox caught it in the end. So, wasn't it an interesting story? So bye everyone. Please hit that subscribe button. You will find it there. And like, share and subscribe. Bye. You'll meet me in the next video, and go check the nice video where you can find a magic trick. I will reveal the magic trick when I get 500 subscribers. Bye.